How to add an image banner on Shopify. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your products more storytelling and showcase. Then search here Shopify. Now click on Shopify official website. Here click on Login. Now click on My Store. Then click on Online Store from the left dashboard. Here click on Customize from the Themes section. Now click on Add section. After that, click on Image Banner. As you can see, our image banner has opened on our screen. From here, you can add first image and second image. You can find various options by scrolling down. Now click on Select Image from the first image section. Now select any image from here. Then click on Add Image. Select any picture of your choice from here. After selecting an image, click on Upload. As you can see, our picture is currently loading. Select the image and click on Done. As you can see, our picture has been set as the banner. You can also edit your image from here. This is how you can add an image banner on Shopify. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.